The relationship between Erica and Kiddwaya was one many never saw it coming. It just started from mere attraction in the Big Brother Naija house to a close friendship. They were good friends in the Big Brother Naija house. They were known friends with benefits because they never admitted to being in a relationship or aiming to get into one. Erica in the Big Brother Naija house had said Kiddwaya was just a friend and nothing more. She however said she was just enjoying the friendship and the moment they shared together and nothing more. Even Kiddwaya in his time in the Big Brother Naija house maintained that he was just a friend with Erica and nothing more. Fans who actually loved the two together coined their names to Kidrika. They named the sheep Kidrika. The two were very good as friends in the house. Even the father of Kiddwaya, Teriwaya, had promised them a Versailles wedding in France should things work out between them. This makes many people believe in the relationship because it has the backing of Kiddwaya's father. But can two work together unless they agree? The answer is no. The relationship is between Erica and Kiddwaya and not between Erica and Kiddwaya's family. So there is no way it will lead to marriage without Kiddwaya wanting it to lead to marriage. There is also no way it will lead to marriage without Erica consenting to it. The two have been seen together a lot of times outside the house, but they have squashed the idea of going into a relationship anytime they are being asked about it. They still maintain they are just being friends and enjoying each other's company. They said they are concentrating on building their brand. Therefore, there is no clear definition of what they are into. Based on my own opinion, I want to share with you guys the three main reasons why I feel the relationship might not survive the test of time. Therefore, the reasons are as follows. 1. Family pressure. It seems the relationship is sailing outside the house because the family of Kiddwaya likes Erica so much.
Kiddwaya, Kedrika, and then to welcome the elites. That's why I'm here. Because she has shown us. I see myself, this little lady, and I'm here to support her. I can't replace her mother, but she's my daughter. And today I want to confirm to you, I am Kedrika.
Erica had in one of her interviews stated that there have been much pressure for the Kidrika relationship to sail. The pressure from the families might not be good for the relationship. In fact, any relationship that has pressure from the family, it is always not a healthy relationship in the long run. Relationships only work more effectively only if the two parties involved are willing and dedicated to make it work. Kiddwaya had not in any way admitted that there would be anything like marriage or even relationship between them. He said he is not a man that loves or show love. So what then will sustain the relationship between them without love? Or how can you be loving someone secretly, and when you're asked if you love this person or not, you deny that you guys are just friendship? Is that love? Number 2, pressure from fans. It seems like fans want the relationship to work more than the two parties involved. Fans are actually pressurizing the two to get married without knowing if they are actually ready or it's what they want.
Come here. Thank you.
During the Kiddwaya's homecoming ceremony in Benue State, fans were chanting that they want Erica to be their wife. In fact, they made a portrait of Erica's picture as a gift, as a present to Kiddwaya. This actually might not be the desire of Kiddwaya. They might pressure him to a point where he would want to quit whatever he has with Erica.
You're married, bro. Gifts. This is what they presented to you. Yeah, you're married. I'm working.
Number 3, the foundation of the relationship. The foundation of every relationship has a major role to play in the relationship. In the case of Erica and Kiddwaya's relationship, the foundation of the relationship was based on just enjoying each other's company and having fun. There was no clear vision for the relationship. It was just a pure cruise, so one would not be sure if they are still cashing funds and enjoying each other's company outside the house. The two parties are yet to declare real love for each other. Few days ago, when they were chatting on social media platform, Erica told Kiddwaya that please don't spoil my market for me. I am still very much single. Though she might be saying it jokingly or seriously, nobody knows. But in a serious relationship, you don't joke with those kind of words. So it might still be the same type of friendship they have inside the house. If it's just having fun and enjoying each other's company, then it will never last.
Oh, it's BB gang, innit? Oh, it's a gang, innit? Look at them winner circle, innit? The winner circle, oh, look at them. Hi, rich cats everywhere, innit? Oh.
You're married, bro. Gifts. This is what they presented to you. Yeah, you're married.
Maybe it's a normal celebrity's life, but not all celebrities anyway that does those kind of relationships that are not open, that doesn't have a definition. So, and Erica is such a beautiful lady. So Kiddwaya, spell out the relationship to her. Be open and be real. Kiddwaya has never any day accepted he is going out with Erica, or he's dating Erica, or he has a serious relationship with Erica. Why? The relationship between Kiddwaya and Erica is one that is yet to have a clear definition, so there is every reason it might survive or not survive in the long run. Do you think the relationship will stand the test of time? Please, it is an opinion. Let's have your opinion on the comment section. They are all our celebrities. I am in love with them, but
yes, so in a year. See, I define wife, but I don't want girls with liposuction. What do they call them? See, if you don't find like Erica, I'm no DM you. I don't want you.